far, it's been lovely, right? We've had temperatures warming up nicely into the afternoon, sunshine breaking out across parts of the Ohio Valley into the northeast. D.C., we're already up into the 70s. Chicago, we've had already a fair share of severe storms. The good news is we are on the north side of that severe weather today, so we're in the clear for the Windy City. But looking at our past hour, we have seen pockets of rain across New York State, a couple rumbles of thunder just south of the New York State line into northern PA. But you can see some of that clearing across our severe weather zone along the I-80 corridor south. That is where we've seen an upgrade in our severe weather risk for the day today. Level 3 threat now. This in confidence in some of the intensity of those severe storms that expect in the next few hours, right? Damaging wind, one of the upgraded severe weather hazards, along with some bigger hailstones. This level 2 risk, though, stretching back out across Indianapolis, Cincinnati, southern Indiana. And then as we work our way into this evening, we could see those storms kind of butt right up into the I-95 corridor. Philadelphia, New York City, just on the outskirts of the outlook zone, but we will get clipped by some of these storms. Temperatures, bit of a divide, right? 50, 60, 70 down the I-95 corridor from New York to D.C. And then we take a look at those 80s already popping across that severe weather zone in the Ohio Valley. So that is going to be the focus for that instability. Daytime heat definitely driving that risk as we pull through the afternoon. But what will be interesting is where and when do these storms eventually pop? The damaging wind hazard more so out across the zone where we haven't seen a lot of daytime heat, or I shouldn't say we haven't seen a lot of instability builds just yet. You can see the upgrade there, the higher confidence that we could see wind gusts top 75 miles per hour. Pittsburgh included in this, up through about central PA on the I-80 corridor, just south of the I-80 corridor. Potential for 2-inch in diameter size tail. Let's get you through the timing. So expecting by about 4 or 5 o'clock those storms to develop. Anything discrete will definitely have my attention. So eyeing up the I-80 corridor initially, this is where that severe weather risk zone is enhanced. And then as we pull into the evening hours, a couple of those storms starting to work their way into Philadelphia, New York on the I-95 corridor after dinner, filling in with a secondary shot of severe weather that pulls into the Ohio Valley into the overnight. So there is the potential that that damaging wind risk and hail threat could continue after dark, is in fact expected to continue after dark. And then that pocket of heavy rain starts to push east as we pull into tomorrow morning's commute.